in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a carnivore crust pizza in the air fryer. Ingredients or less. This thing is done in literally 10 minutes. You build your pizza right inside the air fryer. You can make it carnivore, or if you want to add keto toppings like olives and mushroom and onion or whatever else you want to do, you can do that too. It's literally done in 10 minutes. So stay with me. I'm going to show you how to make carnivore crust pizza with optional keto toppings in under 10 minutes right in the air fryer.